Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Ruby testnet Airdrop. This project has been on for, I'll call it years, and I have not been interested on this project, but something struck me recently. I've been seeing bullish here and there, and I decided to give it a try. You can also give it a try if you have not started. Link in the description of this video, or you go to Play Store, download Ruby, just type Ruby, you will see the app, download it, put the referral code, the crypto hustle mom in a capital letter, no spacing, just write the crypto hustle mom and you will get access to the Ruby account. You need a referral to start mining this particular project. And how does this Ruby project, Ruby testnet airdrop works? I will guide you. Just watch this video from beginning to the end and I will guide you on what to do. So right here, you can see the interface that says start the mining session of Ruby by pressing the button below. This is the button below you are going to press. Once you tap on it, it will start mining automatically for you. Now watch me how I'll click on this particular spot so that I'll start mining, and you're mining for 24 hours. Every 24 hours you will come back and start the session again. Now start the session. It's going to choose a mining pool. Where is your mining pool? Where is your country? Where is your location? Whichever one. My mining pool, I have choose Nigeria. Tap on this mine in Nigeria. You can select your capital or you select your country and start mining. I'll click on Nigeria. That's what I have been mining with. Okay, it's not mining for me. Can you see? Notice the metric showing changes during the mining session may not be the final metric. Exact metrics will be calculated when the mining session ends. Click on agree. So right here, I've started mining Ruby. Mining per hour is 0.8, and this 0.8 is equivalent to $4.43 per day. For the 24 hours, my mining rate is 0.8 per day. So that is basically how to mine. So once you start mining, you click over to your profile down at the top, at the down left, tap on it. So here is my the crypto hustle mom, what you see about your account. Here you can see my information. Tap on this my information. So right here, this is my information, everything about me. So right here, you cannot do KYC because you see your account informations. If you go to users verification right here, click on users verification. So user verification, not verify. You need to verify. How do you verify? You're going to mine this Ruby testnet for 30 days before you'll be able to do KYC. Yes, you must do it consecutively for 30 days. Now you do your KYC. So look at what they said here, not verified. So look at what they say here. They say, welcome to Ruby KYC. We are a social chain project linking millions of members from all over the world. This project is completely free for you. Your asset value on the network is based on real user behavior. Therefore, KYC is a necessary activity to authenticate your existence and thereby confirm that the assets you created belongs to Hrum. Then click on continue. Now, this is where it is, like I said earlier. Miners commitment. Complete ownership for over 30 days to do your KYC. If you did not complete the ownership for 30 days, you will not be access to do the KYC. And once you are active for 30 days, you export at least 30 Ruby. You can get more than that and you can receive invitation for KYC 1.5. So once you are active for 30 days, this continue option will now be open for you to do your KYC. So that is basically what you are supposed to do. Just be active, be mining every day. And once you do your KYC, the next thing is to connect their, follow them on their channel, the Facebook, the Google, the TikTok, the Telegram, and all that. So that is it. Link in the description of this video. Use that link to join if you have not started. And one thing about this project is that you cannot have multiple accounts. if you can have but not on the same phone. Like right now, if you click on account and settings, you only have to have one account, in the sense that once you sign out, you cannot sign in with a different account. Yes, and you need to put your two-factor authentication. Your account will be completely deleted within 24 hours. No, this decision is irreversible and will also delete any remaining assets in your account. So once you delete your account, you will not have access to it again. So that is what I'm trying to tell you. So if you have not started mining Ruby, link in the description. Use that link and join now. See you guys in my next video.